Now that we've looked at arrays, we're going to take a look at linked lists. These are very common and very easy data structures, and I think it's very important to understand how they work and to be able to visualize them. So essentially, they are a group of nodes that are linked in a list, and unlike arrays, which have indices so you can jump from anything and go to any point in the array, linked lists are combined and ordered through pointers. So each node in your list has a pointer to the next node in the list. This makes traversal a little bit more complicated than arrays, but it's very good for space. So here in the single linked list, you see the head node, which does not have data, point to the first node. The first node has a data field. It also has a next pointer and will point to the next node, and so on. And then the last node will have its next pointer will be pointing to null, and it will have its data here. In a doubly linked list, it's a little bit similar, but instead of just having one pointer, we have two pointers. We have one that goes to the next node, and we have one that goes to the previous node. So the head will be pointing to the first node will also have a next, and so on, just like singly linked lists, but doubly linked lists have a previous, so it'll go from D will have a previous to C, and B and A, and so forth. This makes implementation a little bit easier, as you will be able to see in the next video. Most of the methods use a previous node to help with iteration. So these two are important, and then we have a circular linked list, which is a doubly linked list, except the last node, the tail node, will, instead of pointing to null, it will point back to the first node, or back to the head, depending on your implementation, and the first node or the head, again, depending on your implementation, will have a previous node that points all the way back to the tail. So that's singly, doubly, and circularly linked lists.